Hello students, welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we are discussing about 7th class mathematics revision assignment dated 26/11/2020 Thursday, revision assignment solutions. So in this first one, a closed figure formed by joining these three non-collinear points is called dash. So here in this first one, a closed figure formed by three joining these three non-collinear points. Okay, non-collinear points is called triangle. Is called triangle. Second one, a triangle with all three unequal sides is called dash. So a triangle with all three unequal sides. Unequal means the given three sides which not a same measurement. So first side having 5, second side 6, next side 7. So like that is called unequal sides is called scalene. Scalene triangle. Next third one. A triangle with two equal sides is called dash. A triangle having only two sides equal, one is not equal, that is called isosceles triangle. That is called isosceles triangle. Fourth one, a triangle with all three sides are equal is called dash. A triangle with all sides equal, that is called equilateral. That is called equilateral triangle. A triangle with each angle less than 90. A triangle with each angle less than 90, that is called acute angle. That is called acute angle triangle. That is called acute angle triangle. Next, sixth one. So here given A, B, C. So this is the triangle ABC. 60, 70, X. So in this question we need to find the value of X. So this is triangle ABC. We know the sum of interior angle in a triangle is 180. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180. What is the angle A? 60. Angle B 70. We don't know the value of angle Z, that is x. So in the place of angle Z, we can keep x. So equal to 180. Next, 60 plus 70, that is 130. 130 plus x equal to 180. So here plus 130. Bring to RHZ, that is minus 130. So x equal to 180 minus 130. So x equal to 50. So the value of x is 50. Now, seventh one. So here given two questions. In the seventh question having two questions. Given degrees 68, 49. So all three are degrees. Here 47 degrees, 72 degrees, 64 degrees. So in this given degrees, we need to verify based on these degrees, triangle forming or not. Okay. If I add these three angles, so when we are getting 180, that is so these three angles we are forming triangle. Suppose in this question we are not at all getting 180, so based on these angles we cannot form a triangle. Now verify. 68, 49, 63. Okay, if I add these three, which is equal to 180. So based on this, it is formed triangle. Okay, when the in the question given angles, whenever given the angles, so this is the procedure. So here 47, 72, 64. If I add these three, we can get 183. So it is not formed triangle. Okay. Now, eighth question. So this is the triangle ABC, ma. So this is the triangle ABC. So write the parts of elements of this triangle. Okay, parts of the elements. Parts of the elements. Parts of elements means we need to identify sides and angles. So first of all, sides. So sides means how the side formed in a triangle means if two vertices, okay, this is the vertex, this is the vertex, okay, if two vertices in the middle portion, when we join the two vertices, that the line is called side. So AB is one side, BC is the second side, CA is the third side. Okay, sides are completed. Now angles. So angles means A is the angle, B is the angle, C is the angle. So angle A, angle B, angle C. Now ninth one. So triangle ABC given, here x, here 2x, here 3x. So here we should find the value of x. Okay. So we know in a triangle having sum of all three sides which is equal to 180. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So angle A means x, angle B means 2x, angle C means 3x, which is equal to 180. Okay, x plus 2x, that is called 3x. 3x plus 3x equal to 180. So 3x plus 3x means 6x. 6x equal to 180. Here 6 is multiplying with x. Transpose to RHZ, that is the division of 180. So x equal to 180 by 6. 6 ones are 630s are. So ultimately the value of x is 30 degrees. Now last question. Classify the triangle according to other sides. Classify the triangle according to other sides. So this is the question. Classify the triangle according to other sides means the first one scalar triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. Scalar triangle is nothing but the three sides is not equal. Isosceles triangle, only two sides are equal, one side is not equal. Equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal. Revision assignment completed. Thank you.